The 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ was a luxury coupe known for its powerful V8 engines, stylish design, and comfortable interior. It was part of Pontiac's third generation of Grand Prix models and featured a long hood, short deck, and a Coke bottle shape that gave it a distinctive appearance. The SJ trim level denoted a higher level of luxury and performance, offering amenities like air conditioning, power windows, and premium sound systems. With engine options including a standard 400 cubic inch V8 and an optional 455 cubic inch V8, the Grand Prix SJ delivered strong performance and was popular among car enthusiasts and luxury car buyers during its time. Links to listings below. Links to listings. Number 2, 1961 Studebaker Lark, 1961 year of issue. The 1961 Studebaker Lark was a compact car produced by the American automaker Studebaker from 1959 to 1966. It was introduced as a response to the growing demand for smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles in the late 1950s. Here are the key points about the 1961 Studebaker Lark. Design. The Lark featured a clean and simple design, characterized by its compact size and sleek lines. It was available in several body styles, including a two-door coupe, four-door sedan, convertible, and station wagon. Engine options. The 1961 Lark offered a range of engine options, including inline-6 and V8 engines. The most powerful engine available was a 289 cubic inch 4.7L V8, which produced around 210 horsepower. Features. Despite its compact size, the Lark was well equipped for its time, offering amenities such as power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a range of comfort and convenience features. Popularity. The Studebaker Lark gained popularity as a practical and affordable compact car during the early 1960s. It appealed to buyers looking for a fuel-efficient vehicle without compromising on style and comfort. Legacy. The Lark played a significant role in Studebaker's lineup, helping the company compete in the compact car segment against larger automakers. It also paved the way for later compact models from Studebaker. Links to listings below. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3, Plymouth Belvedere, 1955 year of issue. The 1955 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe was a stylish and popular car produced by Plymouth, a division of Chrysler Corporation. Here are some key points about this iconic automobile. Design. The 1955 Belvedere Sport Coupe featured a sleek and elegant design typical of cars from the mid-1950s. It had a distinctive two-door coupe body style with a long hood, sweeping lines, and a chrome-accented front grille. Features. For its time, the Belvedere offered a variety of features to enhance comfort and convenience. These included power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission options, and a range of interior amenities. Popularity. The 1955 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe was well received by buyers and enthusiasts alike. Its stylish design, comfortable interior, and reliable performance contributed to its popularity in the mid-1950s. Overall, the 1955 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe is remembered as a classic example of 1950s automotive design, offering a blend of style, performance, and features that appealed to car buyers of its era. Links to listings below. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz 380 SL, 1980 year of issue. The 1980 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL was part of the R107 series of Mercedes-Benz SL Sport Light Roadsters, which were produced from 1971 to 1989. Here are some key points about the 1980 380 SL. Design. The 380 SL featured classic Mercedes-Benz styling with a long hood, short deck, and elegant lines. It had a two-door convertible body style with a removable hardtop. giving drivers the option of an open-air driving experience or a more enclosed cabin. Engine: the 380 inches in its name referred to its 3.8-liter V8 engine. This engine was fuel-injected and produced around 155 horsepower, providing respectable performance for its time. It was paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Legacy: the R107 series, including the 380 SL, is highly regarded among Mercedes-Benz enthusiasts and collectors today. These cars are appreciated for their timeless design, build quality, and driving experience. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 5. Chevrolet Biscan, 1958 year of issue design. The 1958 Biscan featured Chevrolet's signature styling of the late 50s, characterized by its bold chrome accents, sweeping lines, and distinctive tail fins. It was available in various body styles, including a 2-door sedan, 4-door sedan, and station wagon. Trim level: in terms of trim levels, the Biscan was positioned as a base model within Chevrolet's lineup. It was designed to offer practicality and affordability while still providing a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Features: despite being a base model, the 1958 Biscan came equipped with basic amenities for its time, such as heating, ventilation, and an AM radio. Buyers could also opt for additional features like power steering and power brakes. Overall, the 1958 Chevrolet Biscan represented an era of American automotive design characterized by bold, styling cues, powerful engines, and a focus on comfort and practicality, making it a significant part of Chevrolet's history and a sought-after classic car today. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 6. Cadillac Talisman Fleetwood Talisman, 1976 year of issue. The 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood Talisman was a luxury sedan produced by Cadillac, a division of General Motors. Here are some key points about this iconic automobile. Design: the Fleetwood Talisman was based on the Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, featuring a long and elegant body with a distinctive roof design that included a smaller rear window and extended rear roofline. It had a classic American luxury car styling, with chrome accents, a prominent front grille, and vertical taillights. Interior: the Talisman's interior was the highlight of the car, offering a spacious and luxurious cabin with seating for up to 6 passengers. The rear compartment featured 2 individual reclining seats with a center console, providing a first-class experience akin to a private lounge. It also included amenities like power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and plush upholstery. Engine: the 1976 Fleetwood Talisman was typically powered by a 500 cubic inch 8.2L V8 engine, delivering ample power and smooth performance suitable for a luxury sedan of its size and stature. This engine was paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Features: Cadillac loaded the Talisman with a range of advanced features for its time, including automatic climate control, cruise control, power-operated accessories, and a premium sound system. The car also boasted a smooth ride thanks to its suspension tuning and sound insulation. Overall, the 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood Talisman represented the pinnacle of American luxury automobiles during the mid-1970s, combining a commanding presence, lavish comfort, and advanced features that set it apart as a flagship model within Cadillac's lineup. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 7. Triumph TR3, 1957 year of issue. The 1957 Triumph TR3 was a classic British sports car known for its sleek design, spirited performance, and enjoyable driving experience. Here are some key points about this iconic automobile. Design: the Triumph TR3 featured a timeless and sporty design, characterized by its long hood, short rear deck, and minimalist yet elegant styling cues. It had a 2-door roadster body style with a convertible top, allowing for an open-air driving experience. Engine: The TR3 was powered by a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that produced around 95 horsepower. This engine, coupled with a 4-speed manual transmission, provided lively performance and agile handling, making it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. Features. While focused primarily on performance and driving pleasure, the TR3 still offered basic amenities such as a heater, windscreen wipers, and a fold-down convertible top. It had a simple yet functional interior with a driver-focused cockpit. Popularity. The Triumph TR3 gained popularity for its combination of style, performance, and affordability. It was well received in the sports car market and became a successful model for Triumph, appealing to both casual drivers and racing enthusiasts. Racing success. The TR3 also enjoyed success in motorsport, particularly in rally racing and club-level competition. Its robust construction, responsive handling, and willing engine made it a competitive choice on the racing circuit. Overall, the 1957 Triumph TR3 is remembered as a classic British sports car that embodied the spirit of driving excitement and offered a thrilling experience behind the wheel, making it a beloved model among vintage car enthusiasts. Links to listings below. Number 8. Kaiser Manhattan, 1954 year of issue. The 1954 Kaiser Manhattan was a full-size sedan produced by the American automaker Kaiser Frazer Corporation from 1951 to 1955. Here are some key points about this classic car. Design. The Kaiser Manhattan featured a distinctive 3-box sedan design with a long hood, spacious interior, and squared-off rear end. It had a stylish front grille and chrome accents that added to its elegance. Engine. The 1954 Manhattan was typically powered by a 226 cubic inch 3.7L inline-6 engine, producing around 118 horsepower. It offered decent performance for its time and was available with either a manual or automatic transmission. Popularity. The Kaiser Manhattan was popular among buyers seeking a spacious and stylish family sedan. Its smooth ride, attractive design, and reasonable price made it competitive in the market. Legacy. While production ceased in the mid-1950s, the Kaiser Manhattan remains a symbol of post-war American car design and innovation, showcasing the efforts of smaller automakers in the industry.